Hello, I'm Reem Kidess, and we are so very blessed here to have wonderful patients. We invited some of them in to share their experience with you. These are completely unscripted stories, their own experience, and we hope you have the same experience when you come in to visit us.
If you are looking for a dentist that knows what she's doing, if you're looking for an office that has some unbelievable people, if you're looking for a place that can help you all the way around, whether it's getting your teeth cleaned, whether it's getting new teeth, whether you're trying to change your smile, if you got a chipped tooth, this is where you would come. It's very hard to find a good doctor. It's very hard to find a good dentist. This is a good dentist.
She was referred to me from my surgeon. She was one of two that I had the names of, and I just happened to book an appointment with Dr. Kidess' office first. All it took was me walking through those doors. I'll never forget it because it was so welcoming. It was so unique. And I've been to way too many dentists in my past, so I do have a comparison to make. It was really interesting because everybody was so warm, and it took out all the anxiety out of going to any type of dentist. And I remember when I first met her, she was so nice. We started talking. We had we lived in similar places. So we just hit it off. And halfway through, all of a sudden she said, "I've already decided I'm going to work on you." I said, "I've decided that too." Right? And normally when you're going to go and have a lot of work done, sometimes you want to go and get another opinion just to compare. I canceled the other one right away. I said, "No, I am coming here." I have to say that it was the right decision, and I would refer anybody here because from beginning to end, everybody involved with this office is phenomenal. They set a different level of service that I've never seen, and I have a career in quality, and I have to tell you, people need to benchmark against what this office does and how they always make the patient feel like you're number one, that your comfort is a top priority. Not so much about what Dr. Kidess is doing, but everything is focused on the patient and making sure you're comfortable and that you're not in any type of distress or anything. And I have to say, for the first time in my life, I actually look forward to coming here. Because, I mean, it's more of a social thing. And, oh, yeah, by the way, you're going to have some procedures done. But, I mean, it's just, I cannot believe that I'm saying this about a dentist, going to a dentist. But I think that doctors and dentist offices really need to take a look at the model that they've built here. Because it far surpasses any experience that anybody could ever have at an office like this. It really is incredible.
Yes. Absolutely. I mean, I would have no compunction in recommending her to anyone because she is just a brilliant dentist.
I've been averse to dentists for probably most of my life. I have dental work done when necessary, and occasionally I have pain, occasionally I have fillings. I always regarded dentists much as I regard rat catchers and politicians, to be avoided at all costs. I was referred to Reem Kidess by a patient of hers, and who said that Reem is a little bit different, and the experience will be probably better than I'm used to. So I gave Reem a try, and I have to say that what I found with Reem was that it was a fun experience. I was reluctantly laughing because she and her assistant were making fun of me, were making fun of my Britishness, were making fun of my poor jokes because I was nervous, as most patients are, pre-work. And she started work. She took care of the emergency, the minor emergency I had. She drilled, and I was euphoric because it wasn't painful. And every time I thought there was a little bit of pain coming, I would wince, and they used to laugh at me, you know. But it was something to get used to, and I enjoyed the experience.
I'm very careful about a doctor I go to. I like to check them out. and I like them to be top in their profession, but I also like them to be a person that I can get along with. And I would say that Dr. Kidess certainly meets all of my requirements, and I don't know whose requirements she wouldn't meet.
I'd rather be educated, because sometimes if you've ever had surgery, sometimes ignorance is bliss, but not in this case. I wanted to know exactly what was going to be done, exactly what was going on, you know, exactly the outcome. So I wanted to know what I was in for. And she was very knowledgeable about all the steps that I would be going through and how long it would take and everything. And I like to know. So I'm nosy. I like to know. I don't like surprises. And you didn't tell me that. And you didn't tell me it was going to hurt. And you didn't tell me no pain, no gain. So no, she was very upfront with everything. And the staff here is just wonderful.
If anyone has any questions at all, and I'm not talking whether it's cosmetic or medical, if you have any questions, just come in and ask. They have the knowledge, they have the experience, and there's really no reason to, you can surf on the internet all day long, you can talk to your friends all day long, but unless they tell you there's this one place that'll answer whatever question you have with a smile, then what do you have to lose? Go try it.
My daughter, when she was 2, got her tooth knocked out playing hide and seek, and it happened at like 9 p.m. at night, and I was so desperate I didn't know what to do, and I called her, and she said meet me at the office in 20 minutes, and she came and took care of it and handled it and put me at ease until I could see the pediatric dentist.
Very friendly and very knowledgeable and real hands-on. I mean, and she's genuinely into what she does. She likes her job. She wants the best for you, and it's not just all about money. It's about the best that she can do for you and what you truly need. I feel like I've known her for years, but she really does like what she's doing.
It's just a very comfortable feeling, to have somebody, not only like Reem, but her entire team and staff that I could call on for any kind of dental needs.
I would say to any other young person like me that she is very wonderful and she makes you feel very comfortable. She doesn't make you feel any pain, and she makes sure you have a great experience.